just washed my hair after oiling it with the Euro oil, oiling my scalp, and sleeping in a satin bonnet. Now I just shampooed my hair and conditioned it, and I used the thickening shampoo and the floating Lotus conditioner. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I've been styling my hair the last week or so, just trying a few of the leave-in type products. My criteria for putting any kind of styling product in my hair is that it has to be light and it can't be sticky. Something I really had trouble with finding something. So these mists really fit the bill. And I believe that my favorite is the Sapphire Volumizer mist, which is what I'm going to use today. And so they suggest that you shake it. I'm just kind of gently brushed through combed through with my comb. I've been just misting my hair, and what I feel like is really nice is that the volumizer mist can be used also like a body spray or a finishing spray for your face, and so you don't have to worry about it if you spray it in your ear, which I usually do, or get it on your clothes. You can just spray it liberally and you don't have to worry about it going where it shouldn't go. Kind of squeeze that in, and then what I've been doing is I just brush it out a little bit. And it's really nice how even after I've brushed it with the Warm Bristle brush, my curls come back. My curl pattern has really changed, especially since I started using the detox mask. I don't know if you remember I had a lot of frizz just kind of on the top layer of my hair, and it's really improved. My style that I'm going for is kind of brushed out curls. I like it a little bit more relaxed than curly. So this combination really seems to give me that, and I really like it. And it lasts for several days as well. Thank you so much for listening, and I look forward to talking with you again.